Welcome to our endoscope reprocessing training video, filmed in a non-sterile environment for training purposes. Please ensure all procedures are in accordance with HTM 0106, Management and Decontamination of Flexible Endoscopes, BS 13485 2012, Medical Devices, Quality Management Systems, Requirements for Regulatory Purposes, and all relevant manufacturer's documentation and specified guidelines. Please ensure the correct PPE is worn throughout the reprocessing stage, which include disposable gloves, a face visor or mask, and a disposable gown. Here is a picture of a typical flexible endoscope. The following pictures will show various parts of the scope to pay extra attention to whilst cleaning and leak testing. This is the distal tip of the endoscope. This includes two cover glasses which allow light output, suction/biopsy channel, objective lens giving you your image, and an air water nozzle. Here is the control body. On this is the angulation control wheels, angulation locks, biopsy channel port, AL control, and video buttons. Inside the side cover of the control body is all the wiring passing from the distal tip to the light guide connector. Note the complexity of the components and wiring in here. Poor handling and care of the endoscope can easily cause damage, which could lead to a major repair. Here is the light guide connector, which includes light guide prong, which allows light to pass down the light bundle and out from the distal tip, air water connector, suction connector, and electrical connector. Here is the inside of the electrical connector, where the connections take place for your image and button functions. Any fluid in here will damage the endoscope, so it is imperative leaks are found as soon as possible. Ensure the endoscope remains connected to the electrical connector, the suction connector, and the air water bottle. The first step at the patient bedside is to take a lint-free cloth in detergent mixed solution and wipe the insertion tube from control body to distal end, paying particular attention to the distal tip. Then, turn on the suction, press the suction adapter, and draw detergent solution through the channel for 30 seconds. Then, release the button and aspirate air through the channel for 10 seconds. The next step is to replace your used air water button for your air water cleaning adapter. Turn on the airflow, press the adapter, and allow detergent solution to flow through the scope for 30 seconds. Then release the adapter and allow air to pass through the channel for 10 seconds. Next stage is the leak test. Attach the water resistant cap, remove the endoscope's accessories, and attach the leak tester. Once connected, pressurize the scope to recommended specifications. Then, transfer the endoscope into a basin of clean water, ensure the endoscope is fully submerged and the leak tester remains outside of the water. For videoing purposes, the checks to carry out during a leak test are being done outside of the water. Angulate the bending section to all extremities. This will emphasize a leak in the bending section. Manipulate all the video buttons. If any are torn, air bubbles will come out through the tear. And rotate the locks and angulation controls. Again, if any O-rings are damaged, this will cause a leak. Then transfer the endoscope into a basin of detergent filled water mixed to manufacturer specifications. With the endoscope fully submerged in the detergent solution, take a lint-free cloth and wipe the insertion tube, paying particular attention to the distal tip, and also wipe the U-cord. Here is a generic channel opening cleaning brush that will be used in the next stage of the reprocessing. Use the channel cleaning brush to clean the biopsy channel port opening, the air and water and suction valve opening, and also around the controls and locks. Here is a generic channel cleaning brush for single use only that will be used in the next demonstration. Insert the suction channel cleaning brush straight down the suction cylinder until it appears from the suction connector in the LGC, then pull through the U-cord. Then insert channel cleaning brush at 45-degree angle in suction cylinder so that it goes down the biopsy channel. When brush appears from distal end, pull brush through biopsy channel. Attach endoscope's channel cleaning plugs. Also, attach channel cleaning tubing and air-water channel cleaning tubing. Attach syringe to channel cleaning tubing. Draw detergent fluid into the syringe and flush the channels 3 times. Then transfer the endoscope from the detergent filled basin into a basin of clean water. Draw clean water into the syringe and flush the channels 3 times. Transfer the scope into the reprocessing tray and then aspirate the channels with air 3 times.